warning. Help us to recover, protect the good ones, bless our mornings, heal our dawning. Forgive us, Lord, forgive us, Lord. Father, have mercy on Jamaica. We cry out in the storm and the rain. We are broken but not forsaken. Help us rise and heal again. Oh Lord, we are calling your name. Father, have mercy on Jamaica. Father, have mercy on Jamaica. Mercy, mercy on Jamaica. I'm standing where my house used to be, saying a prayer and no church to see. No roof over my head tonight, but you still kept my soul in light. The kids got no school, no food to eat. The roads are gone, the rain repeat. We never seen destruction like this before. Tears in our eyes, heart so sore. I try to tell myself it's not that bad, but every step I take it hurts so sad. Reality, it's this ain't no show. This is pain that the world must know. Hold on, my brother. Hold on. Father, have mercy on Jamaica. We cry out in the storm and the rain. We are broken but not forsaken. Help us rise and heal again. Oh Lord, we are calling your name. Father, have mercy on Jamaica. Father, have mercy on Jamaica. Guide us, protect us, seal this land. Oh yeah. Mercy, Lord. Hey, we need your blessing, Lord. We need your hand to move again. Look upon the youth, the elders, the mothers, the fathers crying in the rain. The storm has passed, but the pain remains. We are traumatized, but still we stand. We believe, oh Lord, heal this land. Nothing is green, the trees are gone. No cultivation, no food to live on. From the day I was born, never seen this sight. This is a warning, this is the light. Jamaicans, open up your eyes. Don't pretend you blind to lies. If you pull the trigger or kill your brother, you're the reason we lost each other. Stop the violence, stop the crime. Don't give the Almighty another sign. Unite in love, the silent pure. Together in peace we will endure. Peace and love for I humble. Father, have mercy on Jamaica. We cry out in the storm and the rain. We are broken but not forsaken. Help us rise and heal again. Oh Lord, we are calling your name. Father, have mercy on Jamaica. Have mercy on Jamaica. Mercy, mercy, mercy land. Oh, mercy, Lord. Almighty Father, you gave us strength through the flood and the fire. Let Jamaica rise in your name. Stronger, wiser, more united.